Good morning students, welcome to e-learning class of computer science. Today we will continue our lesson 2, Introduction to SAS. Let's start with DBMS, Database Management System. Using a database management system, DBMS, it stands for Database Management System. We know that database is a collection of data and management system is a set of programs to store and retrieve that data. DBMS is collection of huge amount interrelated data and set of programs to store and access the data in effective and efficient manner. So, the DBMS provides users and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update, and manage data. There are many popular DBMS software such as MS Access, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, FoxPro, etc. There are different types of structures of a database, but the most popular and commonly used is the relational database. Relational database. It is a collection of data items organized as a set of tables from which data can be accessed or organized in different ways without having to reorganize the database tables. It is easy to create, access, and modify. Each table is called a relation and all the tables are related or linked to each other on some common field. The software that helps to create, modify and maintain such a database is called as a Relational Database Management System or RDBMS. Tables are the building blocks of SAS database. A table is a collection of related data organized in rows and columns. These rows are called as records and the columns are called as fields. Records. A record or row consists of data about one item or entity. A record is also called as tuple. Field. A field is part of a record. A field consists of a single type of data. In all the records, fields appear as columns in the table. Data item. It is the smallest element of a database. It is a valid value of a field in one record. Each value is located at the intersection of the row and column. Primary key. In a table, all records should be unique. This means that there should be something to identify each record and there should not be two records with same or identical data. The field which contains a unique value is used for identifying the records and is called a primary key. The primary key field can never be empty and will always contain unique values. Primary key is used to arrange and organize the data in a table. Queries. Queries are used to provide filtered data from the tables as desired by the user. Forms. A form contains all the fields from the table or query as desired by the user. Forms display the fields of a single record at a time. Reports. A report is the printed output of the data. It contains the data from the queries in a formatted way as desired by the user. Macros or modules. It is a tool which helps, or you can say that it is a small program which lets you automate a list of actions which you want to repeat. Students, hope you all have understood. Thank you.